So I went out, tried starting up the truck, and nothing. Battery is shot. Tried throwing the charger on it. Nope. Charger said battery does not want to take a charge. Looked at some of the wiring. I'm like, oh, we can do better than that. So let's change out a battery. All right. I didn't have a full-size battery to put in here, so I've got the downsized battery. Now, this is a pretty low compression engine. It shouldn't be that hard to get it to turn over, so that battery should work. Let's see if we can get it to start.
The next project.
All right, there she is in all her rusty, rod-knocking, noisy splendor. I'm sure we can come up with a few upgrades for this thing. All right, well, see you later.